Hello everyone. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Erika Astuti. My study number 181134008. Now, I will explain about my final paper proposal. The title I choose is The Effectiveness of the Group Investigation Learning Model with the psych method in improving student learning outcomes in social studies lesson at Canisius Jombor Elementary School. The reason I chose this title is because I wanted to research how student learning outcomes were when using group investigation learning with the DESIC method. The purpose of this study is to find out whether is it more effective to using group investigation learning model or more effective to using the DESIC method. Student learning outcomes obtained will be transcribed and analyzed. The result of the analysis will bring up a number of things which will be discussed here, including the relationship of the learning model with the desired model. With, with this study can compare the effectiveness of students using group investigation learning model or using the psych model. The reason I use the group investigation learning model and the design method is because the group learning model emphasizes aspects of choice and control in planning what will be learning and investigated compared to the application of teaching techniques in the classroom. So, it requires students to play a more active role because students are directly involved in planning both in determining the topic and the way to learn it through inquiry. Then I compare with the design method. The design method itself is a learning method by giving a segment to each student. A segment will be examined as student learning object. This is done with the aim to rule student to create something new. His analysis of group investigation learning model is that students are actively involved in planning what they will learn and how they will learn it. At the end of project, group members prepare individual and or group presentation to share their result and conclusion. Given that projects are often used in interdisciplinary studies, the advantage of use this model are clear. Student input into topic selection and planning, active involvement, independent behavior, discussion are all necessary components of project work and are provided by group investigation. While the design method is equally beneficial for designer of students who work alone or in teams, it does have broader relevance to the dynamic of group work than has been recognized. The advantage of the design method is this method teaches students to bring broader thinking. Weakness of the design method, discourse must always be in accordance with the needs of students, while the facilities are also very so limited. So, in my opinion, the relationship between learning model and the design method is a learning model to achieve the competition. active to competency to be activated and to basic to improve student to create something new. The result of his research so in in the learning model, students are required to actively look for their own material, whereas in this segment model, the method is more by giving a segment to students continuously. In social learning, use more lecture method when technique and learning. From here, the design model is not effectively applied to students because of ongoing tasks, while the group investigation learning model is more effective because it's shared with group and students are asked to be active in answering group questions.